Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to draw a pattern using Java. This is the most frequently asked question in interview rooms for freshers and experienced people. In this video, I give you programmatic solutions with explanation and debugging. In this video, we are going to draw these three patterns: half pyramid patterns, inverted half pyramid patterns, and fully pyramid patterns. So I have already created one class named pyramid patterns. So here first we have to uh, declare one variables called rows. So how many rows you have to print in your pyramid? So I declare it here 5. Then write here one for loop. In this for loop we declare one variable integer I is equals to 1 semicolon I is less than or equal to row colon I plus plus. So within this for loop we'll declare another for loop. So we'll declare another variable integer j is equals to 1 semicolon j is less than or equals to I j plus plus. So here we have one system class from line package and its out method dot print. So within print method we declare star and space. So after this for loop we are declaring one another system dot out println. So the difference between print and println. So print is used to print this star and space continuous within the one line, and this println method will creates new line, uses for the new line. So now we are going to run this program. So Java application. So this is our pyramid of 5 rows: 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so I'll show you using debugging. So run as debug as Java application. So here the initially row is equals to 5. So you can see here variables. Now here row is equals to 5. Okay, then we are entering into the first for loop. So I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to row I plus plus. So though you can see here i's value is equals to 1. Okay, this is the one. So j is equals to 1 and j is condition is j is equals to I. Yes, so inside the for loop, so it prints star space. So now j plus plus, so j is equals to 2 and j is less than or equals to I. No, because I is equals to 1. So it get out of from the inner for loop and then it executes this statement println, that is new line. So it enters into once again outer for loop. So here I plus plus, so I is equals to 2 and I is less than or equals to row means that is 5. Yes, so enters into the second for loop. So it checks I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to I j plus plus. So here it prints star. So another j plus plus means j is equals to 2, j is less than or equals to I is 2. So you can see also here, so what is the j's value current and what is the i's value. Okay, so first star and then it prints here 2 star. So it's going on, and after that it will produce these half pyramid patterns. Okay, got it? So here we can make it as inverted half pyramid pattern. So how can we do this? So here simple, we have to switch the conditions. So I is equals to row and I is greater than or equals to 1 and minus minus. So this is the prefix, and then in another for loop we have j is equals to 1 and j is less than or equals to I, and this is the first fix, so we make it as prefix. So remaining part is the same. So we save it and run it. So you can see here the output. This is the 5 row pyramid, but it is the inverted half pyramid patterns. Okay. So here we can now making, if you want to print it as 1 2 3 4, so just mention it here j plus, save and run java application as. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1. Okay, so now we are going to make it full pyramid. Okay, so for full pyramid we are going to here integer I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to row and I plus plus. So remaining conditions are the same. Okay, so save it and run it. So it will use the before pattern, half pyramid pattern. So now I'll make it here star. Okay, so now we are added here extra spaces. We need to add here the spaces, right? So this is the star, this is comes right here, and this shift we have to shift these stars the center. So how can we achieve it? So for this we have need one another for loop here inside first for loop. So make it here for then integer k is equals to row minus I. So now give it the semicolon and k is greater than or equals to 1 k minus minus. So now for loop here we are going to declare system.out.print method with space, not println. Okay, so we'll save it and run it as a Java application. So you can see it here, full pyramid patterns. So got it, guys? So in next video, I will show you how to debug the programs using shortcuts, and I also explain what is this package com.app and these each and every keyword using we are using in this program, like that what is class, what is package, what is this public, what is this static, what is this system.out.print, what is this system.out.println. So watching, stay tuned with us. Thank you, and please subscribe. Thank you, guys.